What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Today, I will be analyzing this stock called SMCI Supermicro Computer. Today is August 28th, as you can see at the bottom, 2024, Wednesday local time, 8:36 a.m. If you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. You can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. This is my X account where I have been posting trades. So I clearly said do not touch this stock before 357. I will break everything down for you. I will go on yearly because let me tell you, if you're hearing me for the very first time, I'm a demand and supply trader, and that's how I trade. And let's do a proper, price action. Let's understand the price action, proper price action of the stock. I don't see anything on yearly, but this week is telling me definitely there is a super selling in the stock. All right, but this is live. Still 4 months are left, so you cannot say anything. But yeah, this is telling you that there is too much selling, and the stock has gone from 1200 to 400 now. So people who are trying to, first of all, if there is so much selling, understand the whole logic here. Somebody bought it here, and they are trapped here, right? Price has gone up here, that means somebody bought right at the top. Hope you're not that person, but people who are trying to say that it's going to bounce here there, no, understand what price is trying to tell you. Okay, demand and supply is all about pending buying and selling orders. All right, let's go on half yearly, and then I do see a demand zone right here. I'm going to just mark it, and let's mark this demand zone. This is your demand zone. This black line is EMA 20. Okay, let's go, and I do see this is live, so I'm not marking this price action, because what if this red candle turns into green? It won't, because of the selling pressure. It's 50% down. Look here, it's 50% down for now, but the this is a 6 month chart, and we are still live. 4 months are left for this candle to get closed. Anyways, we'll go on quarterly and see if there is something which I can see. I do see supply right here. I'll just mark it. Okay, and that's how I do it. So I'll go quarterly. Okay, here, so that I can remember, right? Now black line is EMA 20, red line is EMA 50, and EMA 20 actually acts as a support. You can go and test it as many times as you want. So this has the support of quarterly EMA, this particular time frame, this demand zone. Now there is one more demand right here. I'll mark it wick to wick only, body to wick. Price will usually price comes inside the body, but I'm going wick to wick. So this is your quarterly demand zone, and this is your half yearly demand zone. All right. So half yearly demand zone. So both are coinciding. So this was your half yearly demand zone, and inside your half yearly demand zone, you have your quarterly demand zone. And I do see this is not a like it's this is not a perfect supply, because this particular candle is live right now, but there is some imbalance right here. I can see. Okay, that's my experience. Anyways, let's go down and see what's happening on monthly. So this is all trash right here, but if you go on monthly, again, there is some sort of imbalance right here. Monthly I can mark it. So see how everything is coinciding. So everything, this is not a proper demand zone, but what is happening here is inside half yearly you have quarterly, and inside quarterly you have your monthly. Okay, now the whole point is where to buy. This is the origin right here, 287. Will price come here? Currently market is live, as you can see. It's 413, 414. I'm not saying it's going to come today. I'm telling you what, this is selling pressure. This is not normal. This is selling pressure. If you go on weekly, also this is clear cut selling pressure. And when after monthly, let me go back, we were here, right? So this is selling pressure. Now if I'm going on weekly, trend is down. Okay, monthly trend is almost down. Now downtrend means price can come right into this box, right into this box at 286. But there is, if you understand what can happen here, is price will hit this and then can bounce. Bounce means that it can go whatever supply, it can go till here 591. So you must be thinking that it can double the money. I'm just discussing a possibility it can bounce. What if it bounces like this? Because it came into this demand zone as well, as you can see, it bounced and then came back. 1 is to 2, not even 1 is to 2. It just bounced and came back. So what can happen here is price can come here and then bounce and then come back. Now, in these kind of scenarios, first of all, you should stay away from these type of stocks. Secondly, if you're trying to trade, you need to understand where price is moving from. There is no guarantee anything is going to work. So let price come inside the demand zone. Okay, the whole thing is try to understand the price action. I'm going to hide the drawing here. So what happened here was this demand. I'm on weekly chart. So there was a demand here, there was a demand here. See how this worked. All of these, this is not a demand. So this demand zone work, price comes here and it works. This demand zone poor. Everything is poor, but poor are working. Okay. Now what is happening here is price goes up, comes down, comes down. Look at this candle, look at the high. Read the data here. So the high of this candle is 327.55. It comes down and makes a low at this candle from 327.55. It comes down to 275. All right, almost 35-40 dollars down, and then the whole rally comes up. You see these green candles. Okay, these green candles are the result of whatever happened here. These green candles that you see, this imbalance, massive imbalance that you see, which took the price to all-time high, is the result of this particular move right here, especially this move. So 292 can definitely come. Okay, if you're trading options, see, it's not going to come today. I don't know what has happened. I don't follow news, but this is not normal. Look at this, 31%, 32% down. If you are trying to go long, there's no point going long. If I want price to break a supply. Okay, if it has to go up from here, it is anyways. It is used. It will be broken definitely. I know that. But if it has to go up, it needs to break a supply, and it won't do that. When you see selling like this is free fall. It will come down slowly. Eventually, it will come down. Okay, but there are lots and lots of logics attached. Algo traders are trading. Conventional traders are trading, and they will try to see crossovers, all that crap. I'm not against nobody, but no, they will try to find everything. Algo traders trade around EMA 20, so they will try to short when price comes here, whatever, right? And the highest probability is, trust me, mark the date today, 28th August. It can definitely come here, definitely come here. And this is the demand zone which actually took, whenever I will continue explaining this monthly demand zone. But the whole point here is, whenever you see a crazy selling like this, you should stay away from the stock, and you should wait for the demand zone, for that particular demand zone, where actually that is the origin of the whole rally. This The rally happened here, right? Now, after this, it comes down and then it starts moving up. This is very important level. 287, I said, yeah, 287, 285. This is very important, and there is a demand zone right here. Very, very important demand zone around 287, 287. But if it starts moving up from somewhere, we'll come to know, because it will start breaking supplies. Let's look at the momentum as well. Oversold. Okay, almost oversold. It's not oversold, but it is in the bear range right now. I don't know how many of you know RSI, but 60/20, 20/60 is your bear range. I'm not talking about the 30/70 thing. I'm talking about the proper RSI. I hope you guys know it. If you don't know, then it is what it is. But yeah, it is in the bear range. Even if it bounces till here, it's gonna be in the bear range. It doesn't matter. And these levels, let me mark it. These will work as the resistance. 671, from, you must be thinking, from 415, if it goes to 671 we'll make money. What, you're gambling if you're thinking like that. You don't have to gamble in stock market or nowhere. You don't have to gamble anywhere for whatever kind of business you're doing, because I'm telling you, this is risky. This is a free fall. I don't know what the news is. It is getting hammered. I will read the news later on, but this is in the bear range, clear cut. And Definitely on daily it should be way down in 20s. Yeah. So this is bear range for you, and yeah, you will see a bounce, because when market is oversold, people like this. So this will bounce and go to 39, but there are supplies which are being formed here. Can you see this? So if it moves from 415, it will go to 520, whatever, and then can come down. But once it has hit this 356, it should hit. If it has gone to 356, do not short. I'm giving you a tip. If it has hit 356, do not short the market. Do not short this particular stock. You will be in a very deep trouble. I'm telling you right away. Irrespective, see, it should come here. I'm telling you. But if you're trying to short it here, it's very risky. If you're shorting it now, it's fine because there are buying pending orders sitting here. I'm not, see, it should come to 287. Okay, but I clearly said here, so look here, 357, do not touch SMCI before 357. The whole point here is if price comes here and it reacts, and by the time it's coming down, there would be chances are you will see other supplies being formed. If for now, if nothing is formed, this is the supply. So price can go from here till here. So from 357 to 511. Understand, $200 move or $100 move for a $1,200 stock is nothing in percent moves. Okay, think logically. And this is your EMA 20. The more price is away from EMA 20, it is getting cheaper. The stock is getting cheaper. You will see a bounce here. You should see a bounce here. So if you're shorting, get the hell out. Okay. I don't know how you guys trade, but I'm telling you how pending buying and selling orders works. And I'm telling you, algo traders think like this. Price and EMA 20 cannot stay away from each other for long. So because I don't trade indicators, I'm clearly telling you this. But the whole point is that this is being used by algo traders. Look how this is acting as the resistance inside supply. Okay, it will act as a resistance once price has gone below it. Now it now what will happen is there can be a spike around 356, 358, but this should definitely come. But if it bounces from here, there could be a minor bounce because of the market, because you need to understand the whole concept that market actually is trying to do all time high. Are you getting that? So be very careful. Stay the hell away from this stock. Whenever there is news, panic selling is there. People are selling. Then you will see short selling covering as well. So stay away from here. RSI on daily is, look at here, 2450. Then you have your RSI on weekly around 36. Okay, you will definitely, you understand this. You will see a bounce because this is how it works. Mentality is like that. But do not touch this stock. I will not touch it. I will, what if uh, let me tell you what I'll do is I will let the price come here. I'll see if it starts breaking the supplies, and then I will trade it. But if it doesn't do anything, forget about it. It can bounce and then come here. Market is live right now. I'm telling you, it's going to do here whatever people or whosoever is telling you is going to do a bounce or whatever. It's not going to bounce. It will only bounce because of the market. That's it. All right, or short covering, but I don't see no short covering before this 350, 360, 358, whatever. Okay, so take care. Don't forget to follow me, the Chartist. I am available on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. This is my X account. Don't forget to follow me here for latest updates. um, Take care, have a wonderful trading day ahead. And I have uploaded the video for NVDA. We have earnings today. Please, I'm requesting you, do not trade options in NVDA. All right, take care. Bye bye.